Hello everybody, my name is Andino. I'm the owner of Assembly Hair in Miami. I specialize in hair cutting and men's grooming, and today I'm gonna be showing you how I trim my beard. So basically these are the tools that we need for the beard trim, and we're gonna start with a clipper. We're gonna use the baby clipper also. Need a comb, scissors, guards, and beard oil. This is one of my favorite products. Very cool. So now it's nice and clean, and what I do is I take a little bit of baby powder, put it in a towel, pat it, and then go straight to the neck just to remove all the excess of hair. After I do that, I clean every little hair out of my skin, and I'll take a little bit of the beard oil from Baxter. Super cool product. It smells so good. And I put, there you go, a little bit. Don't be scared, you know what I mean? It's oil. Oil is good. Rub it in your hands. And then with one hand, you can start applying the oil in your beard. The rest goes to the other hand. Rub it in. You can do the mustache and a little bit more to the beard. And voila, there you go. Not difficult at all.